Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be discussing all about advanced water management. So water is very crucial in our life and water is precious as well. We don't want to waste the water at any cost. So in order to save the water, there are various techniques we can use to save the water and to save our environment. So in this working model, so we have implemented various methods of saving water on our day-to-day life. So first thing what we have done here is, if you can see, right, this is a house. On the terrace of the house, we have implemented the rainwater harvesting system, and we have kept the water overflow alarm. In case water is getting overflow, there is an alarm is going to signal here. That is one concept we adopted. The next thing is, once rainwater is got saved, so we have kept it in the well, and that water will be reusing for washing our cars. Once the washing of our cars is done, whatever the waste which is generated via washing the car, same water we are trying to use it to for our gardens, so that water we can recycle. And the next thing what we have done here is, so whatever the water tank is got filled once, what we have done is, say that water we will be using for our wash basins to clean our vans and so on. And the same water, whatever it got wasted, that we are going to do it for flushing of our toilet as well as using in our garden. This is the method we have tried to explain in this advanced water management working model. So we're going to demonstrate how this working model really works now. So we are going to simulate the rain now by pouring water here. If you can see, right? So when we pour the water, so we are seeing a similar kind of rain simulation we have done here. When this rainwater is got stored, collected in this rooftop, that water, the overflown water, so we are stored in this well. If you can see, right, the water is getting stored here. If you can see, right, see, water is getting stored in this water well. Once this water well is full, so what we are doing is, we are going to use the same water for our car cleaning or car wash. We are going to switch on this motor in the well, and we'll be using that water for cleaning it. So once the water is used for cleaning, the same wastewater is getting stored in this tray, and that water, same wasted water, we are going to reuse it here in our farms or gardens. To reuse the water here by opening this tap. So you can see, right, whatever the car washed water is coming here, so that we'll use that reuse that water for our agricultural fields and garden. So next one is, we are going to demonstrate water tank overflow system. We have kept an alarm. Whenever this water tank is getting full, it is going to alarm us so that we can save water. Otherwise, it will get overflowed and it is getting wasted. So in order to avoid that, so we implemented the alarm here. This is going to alert us whenever the water tank is going to be full. See, whenever it has come to the certain level of that time, this alarm is going to ring. So in that way, we are going to switch off the motor of this water tank so that the water is not getting wasted. Now we are going to use the water for our wash basin. If you can see, right, the same water came to the wash basins, and we are using that water for our cleaning hands and so on. Once we use that water we are going to use for flushing of the toilets, and later we are going to use it in our garden. So we are going to demonstrate the same water, whatever we have used in the wash basin and flushing of toilets. So this will come for our garden. Now we are going to open this tap here. So you can see, right, that same water, whatever the water we got from hand wash and flushing of toilets, same water we are using it in for our garden. So this is the way we have implemented in this working model to save the water in a very advanced water saving methods. In this way, we are trying to simulate various way we can save the water in our day-to-day activities at home. So in that way, so we are going to saving our environment by saving the water in various way. I hope you guys got a clarity what is all about water management system working model. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.